This is a quick tip for Cavalry on how to use the color palette. It is really good for speeding up your workflow. So I have got Cavalry open, and over here you can see the color window. If you can't see it, you could go over to Window and just make sure to click on this. Down here you can see this Swatches tab, and in it you can save color palettes for use in your project, or you could even come over here and import one that you have made in another project. Now, very easy to create. You just select a color up here and drag the color into the swatches. So it wants you to name your palette, so I'll just name this color, press OK, and I'm just going to make a random palette. And that will sit there ready for you to use anywhere in your project. You can save it by clicking on these three dots and just going Save As, and this will open up your saved project window. If you haven't created a project for it to sit in, it will go to a specific saved location where Cavalry is set up on your computer, but I will just name this and replace this. If you have set up your project here, you can see I've got my color palette project, and in Cavalry there is the palettes folder. So if I open up here, my color palette is sitting in my folder where I can access anytime. So if you're passing this between people, you just copy this whole Cavalry folder and send it to someone else. And it is very easy to use inside of the project as well. I've just got my color array set up here, and all I need to do is drag my color from here over to my color array or any other color swatch within the project. For example, I might want to make the background red. That is it for this quick tip tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Bye!